India, a land of diversity, culture and history, but also a nation blessed with one of the most stunning coastlines in the world. Stretching over 7,500 kilometers, India's coast touches the Arabian Sea, the Bay of Bengal, and the Indian Ocean. But which state holds the record for the longest and most fascinating coastline? Let's find out. The answer lies in the western state of Gujarat. With a coastline that extends nearly 1,600 kilometers, Gujarat boasts the longest shoreline in India. Washed by the Arabian Sea, this coastal belt has been a center of trade, culture, and maritime power for centuries. Gujarat's coast has been the gateway to India for traders from Africa, Arabia, and Europe. Ancient ports like Lothal, one of the world's earliest dockyards, stand as testimony to this glorious maritime past. Today, modern ports such as Mundra and Kandla keep Gujarat at the forefront of India's economy, handling millions of tons of cargo every year. But Gujarat's coast is not just about trade and industry. It is home to some of the most pristine beaches and breathtaking views. The white sands of Mandvi, the historic shores of Dwarka, and the serene charm of Diu Island draw travelers from across the world. This coastline is also a treasure of biodiversity. The Gulf of Kutch Marine National Park protects coral reefs, dolphins, and migratory birds. Fishermen communities have thrived here for centuries, living in harmony with the sea. Along these shores, culture meets the ocean. Coastal towns celebrate vibrant festivals, seafood cuisine flourishes, and ancient temples stand guard by the waves. Gujarat's coast is not just a geographical feature, it's a living heritage. From history to trade, from natural wonders to cultural richness, Gujarat's 1,600-kilometer coastline is truly the longest and most fascinating in India. A journey along its shores is a journey through time, nature, and the spirit of the sea. This is not just a coastline, it's a story of India's connection with the ocean. If you enjoyed this journey, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more fascinating stories from India and beyond.